Hello and welcome again to another episode of our YouTube channel. Today we will be addressing a little bit more in details the Ministerial Decree 279 of 2020, which made some amendments to the very well-known UE labor laws to address the specific situations of the pandemic and the lockdown as we are currently experiencing. What is very important for employers to know is that this decree is only applicable if your company is located outside a free zone. So basically, if your company is located within a free zone, this decree is not de facto applicable to you. And each free zone should be adopting its own sets of rules or decide to actually defer to this decree and apply the decree directly. However, it is the prerogative of each of the free zones to decide how they want to address the pandemic situation with regards to employees working within those free zones. Now, when we come to the measures that are mentioned within the decree, it's very important to note that the employer cannot unilaterally adopt these measures. It's important that any of those measures that are agreed upon with the employees have to actually be documented in the labor contract, or there's a small amendment where you would write what has been agreed between the employee and you as an employer. So basically, if you are going to grant them their annual leaves, the employee has to actually sign this contract, this amendment to the contract. If there is a temporary reduction of wages or unpaid leave, it has to be evidence within this contract, and a period of time has to be agreed on. So it's not for an unlimited period of time. The last two measures are a little bit more permanent, whereby we can grant an unpaid, a permanent reduction of wages, or leading also to a termination of the contract. So these are the measures, but what is very important is this needs to be documented. So if you are an employer, please remember to fill out these contracts and to submit them through the channels where those contracts need to be submitted, so that you are totally legal and that you do not have any consequences whenever works resume and all ministries open again. So that's it for today. I hope you find it helpful. If you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to contact us either at info@hmlc.ae, on our website, or through our various social media platforms. Thank you.